This bright, open floor plan features well-appointed spaces with eco-friendly concrete and recycled glass counters in the designer kitchen and upgraded appliances. Cozy gas fireplace in the open living area. Private viewing deck off the master upstairs and no immediate neighbors to the north or east. Plenty of entertaining space on the expansive deck with hot tub on the east and south sides of the property. Great parking for this corner lot and a bonus living space above the detached garage in the Carriage House. Turnkey and ready to go. Purchaser to honor all current paid bookings. Hurry, there are very few outright vacation rentals in the city of Lincoln City and this one is a gem.